Yes.
So hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about that how advertising influence consumer behavior. So firstly I will tell you about the difference between customer and the consumers. In listening both words are same but the meanings are different because the customer that person the buying the product and who person that buying and using that product, that person is the consumer who using that product, and that person buying that product, that is the customer. So in many field we have to also understand the consumer behavior, that or it's also have a factor that the factor affect the consumer behavior, like education, that if some consumers are educated, if they want to buy something, so they will not only depend on the ad of the advertisement of that product, they will research that what is benefit of that products, they will study deeply about that products. And some consumers are not too much educated, so they only depends on the advertisements and ads, so they buy and do anything. And there are many factor effects that in the market there are many people that who only comes to bargaining the products, not for the buying. If someone less the price of that, so they buy and purchase, otherwise they just comes to wasting the time and only comes to research that the what rate is in the market of the things. And some consumers are stingy, that they want that if they are buying something, so the price they wants to decrease the price of that things, but the owner and the seller, they should remain that they should not decrease the price. If you will understand how to handle the customer, the consumer, so it will be easy to control and bring the attention of the customer and the consumers. So why it is important to understand the consumer behavior? If you will understand the consumer behavior, it will help you in your business to how to do business and what needs of the consumers, of the customer. That in the market there are many things which made for the only for women, only for the men's, only for the children, means baby child, like baby bottle only for the baby, because we cannot use it. And the makeup products only for the women's, man cannot use that. And the shaving razor only for the man. In the market many things are present that for all, like if they are going to shopping, they are wants to watching movies, that things for the all. But if you are understanding the consumer behavior, so it will also help you. If you wants to advertise something of your product, so take ideas and make interesting, that how you attract the public attention on your products. Because if you are selling something, you can't tell to everyone that your product is good, what benefit. So for this reason you are advertising your things for making it a famous. Like if someone open their coaching center, if anything, but if it not famous, so they do advertisement, they can also start the ads, but it's expensive. But if they have money, so they can do by the poster making, by any way they advertise their products in market, by which the public attract that products. If you are doing advertisement in an interesting way, so everyone wants to buy that products, because your product have something different which is attract the customer. So thank you.
Good.